Hey friends, in this video we will be looking at an awesome solution which will help you manage your time effectively. You will be able to take big breaks without feeling guilty. You will surely complete the task before time. And don't worry my friends, completing the task before time won't affect the quality of your work. You will be able to review and recap your task recursively by using this technique, which will surely improve your quality of work. So the technique I am talking about is Pomodoro Technique. Biggest strength of this technique is its simplicity. Allow me to mention that this technique was developed in 1980s by Francesco Cirillo. He was also struggling like you and me, but then this technique was so effective for him that he went on to write a whole book on it, in which he has mentioned these 5 simple steps. Step number 1. Go get a to-do list and with that a timer. You can use mobile phones too, but timer is recommended as mobile phones can distract you. Keep them out of reach. Set your timer to 25 minutes. This is your Pomodoro. Remember, Pomodoro is indivisible. You cannot break down these 25 minutes. Why? I will tell you in the next step. If you have your to-do list ready by now, set your timer for 25 minutes and focus on a single task until the timer rings. But keep these things in mind. A Pomodoro practice includes 3 rules for getting the most out of each interval. If your task is complex and requires more than 4 Pomodoro, then break down your task into smaller and actionable subtasks. This will ensure clear progress on your task. If any of the subtasks requires less than 25 minutes, then combine it with smaller subtasks. In each Pomodoro, divide the time in 3 sections: recap, work, and review. That is, recap the previous subtask on which you can plan accordingly and then complete the current task. And finally, review the current task at the end. A Pomodoro should not be broken. Unless the Pomodoro rings, you cannot do any other task. You should use the time to review the completed task. Do not combine other small tasks like checking emails and chats. So finish your task until the Pomodoro rings and mark it off and record what you have completed. So then enjoy a 5 minutes break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes to stay away from distractions while you are applying Pomodoro technique and to increase your productivity level while working. Check the left and don't miss out to hit the subscribe button and start your self-improvement journey with Relax Man. So to summarize the Pomodoro technique, first select a task from your to-do list, set your timer for 25 minutes, mark off 1 Pomodoro and record what you have completed. Enjoy a 5 minutes break and after 4 Pomodoros take a longer rejuvenating break. Thank you.